Ooh, I need a bottle flip. Actually, you want me to drink half of this first. I know you guys are getting mad. You guys want me to drink half of my water before I flip. No, sorry. What is going on, guys? My name is 07 and today we got a new video with the Mazda 3. Today we're going to be installing some RGB LED headlights. You guys ever see those videos on Instagram or something like that when people are like boop boop beep and you can change the color of your headlight and they go red and blue and stuff like that? That's what we're going to be doing today, but we're going to be doing it the easy way. Normally you would retrofit your headlights, which I honestly don't even know what that means. It's just some fancy term of building a light into your headlight. But today we're going to be putting actual RGB LEDs into my headlights, into my Mazda 3. And for a lot of you guys with the Mazda 3s, you guys have trouble with the clips, so I'm going to try and explain it a little better than I did in my last LED video. And we'll go from there. So my current LEDs on my Mazda aren't that actually that great in the dark, so I do want to change up my LEDs, you know, give my car a little bit more excitement with color and stuff like that. So I thought, hey, you know what, I need some LEDs. So I looked up my boys VIP Moto Z or VIP Motos on eBay because they got hooked up on, you know, a ton of LEDs. And you know, I searched H7 headlight because that's what the Mazda 3s are, and it actually showed that they had RGB headlights. So I'm like, hey guys, and they were actually nice enough to send me out this box of RGB headlights to try and, you know, share my review with you guys and compare it to my old headlights. So VIP Motos, I definitely suggest going to these guys on eBay or even their website, vipmotoz.com. They got, you know, every LED that you need, anything that you need for your car, and they're really good quality too. And also, you guys know how I have aftermarket Spider tail lights. I did a video on those if you guys are interested as well. I actually got those tail lights from these guys as well. Believe it or not, they have them the cheapest you can get them anywhere. So I would definitely suggest heading over to them and getting yourself those taillights or even these LEDs. I'll have the link in the description for these if you guys want to get them. So let's go ahead and get these installed. I'm going to do a little bit of unboxing because they sent me a very colorful box. Thank you guys. So fun fact, these LEDs are actually controlled by an app on my phone, which I'll obviously get to when I'm showing later. Oh, talk about good wrapping, you guys. You pay good money and you get some good stuff here. So you get a cool ass box. The LEDs are inside. So we got some sticky pads. I know this is run by a Bluetooth device, which I believe is run by this Bluetooth device, which is why they give you sticky notes, which you do have to bring it to a power and a ground, which is fine, no worries about that. There is a RGB chip in there, and then there's also the LED, as you guys see. So in the instructions, it says that the LED chip is actually brighter than the RGB, which makes sense. Obviously, the LED is gonna power your headlight, but you get this big ballast and everything, and yeah, that's basically it. Basically, in a nutshell, you plug it into your old headlight harness, then you plug in the other side to the Bluetooth receiver, which then you plug into a battery, and you guys will be good to go. So let's go ahead and install these. You get instructions and everything, which is awesome. Thank you guys. Really good kit. This is honestly a great kit. Like I'm very happy so far that you receive basically everything you need to install, plus instructions. I got my car in the garage today, so I didn't have to be so shy being outside and recording YouTube videos. Now this is going to be really difficult for me to show you guys because the headlights are such hidden away, and like I said, I obviously do want to show you, you know, the whole clip situation and everything, but I don't think I'll actually be able to show you, which is, you know. So we're going to start by going in here. You guys got a dust boot that you guys are going to want to take off. Your dust boot's in there. Now this is how the clip works. I actually haven't done this in a long time. I definitely do forget how it works. How does this work again? I guess I just popped it out. So, okay, just, you guys will probably be able to figure out how the clip works. You just go ahead and pop it out. And can you guys see the clip down here? I don't know. You guys can see. You guys can, right, that's the clip right there. Right here, right in front of my finger. It pulls out. It does like a 180 swivel motion basically. So this is my old LED. Obviously you guys can see that, you know, technology has upgraded, and I'm really excited to, like, these have like 4 little LEDs in it. This has like 20 million. So I'm pretty stoked on what this is gonna turn out to be. Otherwise, it's basically the same size. It's got the original connector on there and everything, so I don't have to worry about switching any of this over. So this is ready to go. So unfortunately, with these specific headlights, I can't actually get the dust boot to work because this piece right here doesn't disconnect from the pack, which is not a big deal. Your dust boot's not a huge deal. It's not like you're not gonna die if you don't have it, is what I'm saying. So don't freak out about it, that's okay. It doesn't really stop condensation or anything. It just really makes a tighter hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick the LEDs in here and we'll get started with this. I want to secure the LEDs before I do anything else. So after fiddling around with it, playing with it for a while, I think I finally got it into where it's supposed to sit. It should just feel flat, and you know, you can still rotate it and everything. Now this whole clip idea is, I know that my hands are in the way, but you guys can still kind of see it right here. You basically you lift it up over the fan and you oh, I hate doing this, and you literally just push it in there. Now that didn't work. It's supposed to go far, like to the bottom of it. Oh, I'm gonna be at this all day, man. So I just had a funny experience here. So I had the LED in, I actually put the clip down, the clip stayed, but my LED slipped out. I'm like, huh, what's going on? So these rings right here actually slide around, so make sure you lock them in place. So let's go ahead and try this for about I've been at it for about probably 30 minutes, just trying to get the LED in. Like I said, guys, the Mazda 3 LEDs or the headlights are just pain in the ass. Doesn't matter if you're doing a headlight or if you're doing LEDs, it's the whole assembly that's just garbo. So I'll be completely honest. So that side has the LED that we just put in it. That side's my old ones. And like looking down, like, because obviously you go to the point where it starts to brighten it. The one on the left side is a lot brighter to me, and I think you guys can definitely see that. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but the left side just seems more bright. You guys can see as it glares. The left side seems more like blared out. I know these lights are rated at a certain lumen, and I'm not sure what it is, but these are definitely hella bright, and I'm blinding myself, and I'm probably blinding you guys, I'm sorry. So now that light is in, like I said with the clip, I can't explain it. You know, if I had the headlight housing out, I could explain it easier, but the clip is on top of the fan, and basically if you have the LED in, you push the clip all the way down, I'm pretty sure it hooks on to like this piece or something, I'm not sure. So that piece has to be facing, if you put the LED in, that piece has to be facing like this when it goes in, and then it should sit securely. So that's on that side, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that side off camera because it's probably gonna take me another hour. We're going to wire up the Bluetooth receiver and get the RGB working. Okay guys, so I got the one LED in. Actually, I got this one in. Flathead. Flathead's your best friend, definitely. So now we have to connect the Bluetooth side of things. Considering we already plugged in this, I just want to get everything all set up before I, you know, hide any wires or anything. So this one's good to go. So now I'm gonna hook up my Bluetooth receiver to my battery, which is right here. So I'm gonna go negative on that side and then positive here, and then we'll hook up the two cables that you get to both the headlight. And don't worry, the Bluetooth connector cable from the headlights are super long, so they'll be able to reach. Alright guys, so the LEDs are now sketchily wired into my battery. We are going to go ahead and plug the Bluetooth receiver into the plugs to make sure they work. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. What? Oh boy! Oh, that got me so stoked. Okay, so that one's not working. We gotta figure out what's going on in that one, but that one is. That is dope. Whoa. That's hella sick. Guys, this is freaking hella dope. Look at that. I got that one working. I got that one working. I plugged that one wrong in. Oh my, dude, I am so freaking stoked. Even though that's blue, I just downloaded the app right now. My app is downloading. My app is downloading in the bottom left. So you guys go on the App Store. If you guys get these same LEDs, you can go ahead and download this app. It's called Happy Lighting, and we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's just a bunch of features and stuff like that you can do, but we're gonna go ahead and see what's up. So you can change the brightness. That's pretty neat. You can turn them off and on. Obviously we want them off off because you know you don't use them all the time. So I'm kind of hoping that when you do have them off that it doesn't draw power from the battery. I don't think it should. Make it brighter, and like I said, just change the color and just have some freaking fun with it, man. And then you can like have different like shades of everything. You also have other options as to, you can sync it up with your music, you can use some with your microphone, and then you can also have it like doing different things. You can have it pulsing and stuff. That's pretty wicked. So there's just different settings. Sorry this is so blurry, but basically, you know, just different options and stuff like that. And I don't want to go through it all, but this is basically the gist of it. So obviously when the LEDs are on, which they are right now, you can't control, you know, what's going to be going on, as you guys can see, you know, and it makes sense, right? So if you don't want it like that, you turn them off, and then you can have cool ass lighting. So I honestly I like red. Let's be honest here. I think it goes. It's like you gotta find the perfect. There you go. That's like demonic, and I like it. Just take a look at that, guys. Just take a look at that. I think that honestly looks super cool. So basically my full out, you know, thought about this is, you know, you get the cool photo shots and everything that you want with the RGBs, but when it actually comes to nighttime driving, these will turn off and you will actually get your regular LEDs. You just got to make sure that you turn off your app, just so, you know, the lights turn off and everything when everything's off, so it doesn't continue drawing power from the battery, or then you're going to toast your batteries. So like I said, obviously the LEDs were insanely bright. Like these are a lot more brighter than what I had on before, and they're very brighter lumen and everything. So I'm very, you know, happy with how brighter these LEDs are. And then I'm obviously also stoked on the fact that I can change the color of my LED when I want to. So I'm really excited on these, and I'm glad this worked out. You demonic looking little Mazda 3. Oh, how I love you. That is hella sick. That is gonna make for some good photo shoots. So let's see what we can do here. Purple looks pretty wicked. This is a cool mod. Do this mod. So that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I sure like this. This is pretty wicked. Obviously you can't drive around like this. That's illegal, at least where I live, because the emergency lights are red and everything. So obviously I can't, and it's more or less just for show, like photos, or just if you're sitting in a parking lot and you're just chilling or something like that. So it's really cool. But like I said, this is just an add-on of like the actual LED. The actual LED for your headlight is so good. I'm super stoked to use it at night because it's actually so much brighter using it in my garage. It just lit the garage up so much more, and I needed a new LED. So spending the money on something like this is, I think, definitely worth it, because you're getting a great LED for your headlight, for actually using your headlight, plus you're getting these additives that, you know, you don't see on every car. This is something that's really cool and unique, and I think it's definitely unique on this. As you guys can see, that's pretty freaking wicked. So like I said, guys, go check out VIP Moto Z on eBay and check out their website as well. Link will be in the description for these LEDs if you want to buy them for yourself. But otherwise than that, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content like this. But other than that, my name is Zeus7, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, guys, keep on vibing.